Ashoka Halwa. Hi, hello, welcome to Dosa Recipes. I am Ganesh Chadurthi. We're going to have a lovely session of Moong Dal Halwa or Ashoka Halwa. This is Moong Dal Halwa, which is really very famous, and it's very nice, and it's healthy too, because normally the halwas are made with so many flours, and this is going to be with the moong dal, so definitely it's going to be healthy. Now let's look into how to do this lovely smooth moong dal halwa. Now here we have the soaked moong dal lentils with us. I've just completely drained the water, and then I am adding it to the cooker. And add a very little of water to this, so it's just covering up the lentils, not more than that. If you're going to add more water, what will happen is there will be excess of water, and we'll have to look into a strain to remove this water. So add very little water so that it just covers up the lentils, not more than that. And now close your cooker vessel or any other vessel which you're going to allow it to cook, and then let it go for 1 or 2 whistles, not more than that, because this moong dal normally gets cooked quickly. So let's leave it for just 1 or 2 whistles. So I'm heating a vessel which we are going to make this moong dal halwa or Ashoka halwa. Add 1 or 2 spoons of ghee. Roast the cashews. I remove the cooker, and here I am removing the roasted cashews. Now to the ghee and the same vessel, let's add the wheat flour. So the gluten or the stickiness in this wheat flour will go away if you're going to give it a nice roast with the ghee. Let's roast it in medium flame or low flame, otherwise they get burnt. So once it's roasted, we can remove it and put it in a vessel. Let's see, look at the color change and a nice aroma is coming. So it's time to remove them. Have a look at this moong dal. It's cooked well. And can you see there is no excess water in this? So that's why we drained the water, and then we added very little water for this to get cooked. With the help of a masher or a whisk, completely mash the moong dal. Now add this mashed moong dal to the vessel. It will again be in very low flame. Now after 3-4 minutes, can you see we're getting a nice halwa kind of texture with this. We have not yet added sugar or anything, but just I'm showing you how the texture of the dal is. Adding some more ghee. Actually, you can add jaggery or sugar. So if you're going to use white sugar, then use the same quantity. Whereas I am using jaggery, and this is a kind of jaggery where it is cleaned and the dirt and sand has been removed. So I can add it straight away like that. Now let me wait for this jaggery to dissolve. So here, have a look at this. The jaggery has dissolved completely. So keep stirring it now and then. I added the roasted wheat flour. Mix it well. So we are having a nice texture, nice paste now. Now you can already feel that it started leaving the sides of the vessel. So that's it. Within 5 to 10 minutes, our moong dal halwa is well and done. Add some cardamom powder as a flavoring agent. Now it depends on the texture. If you would like to take it well ahead, a little 1 or 2 minutes beforehand, you want it very soft, and then you can remove it that way. But this one is a little more of a texture where you can make it either into small cakes, or you can serve it like that. So add the fried cashews, and lastly 1 spoon of ghee. So that gives a nice shining coat for the halwa. Now our halwa is done, so let's transfer it to the serving vessel. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making this lovely Ashoka Halwa.
which will also get rid of our sorrows. So definitely do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Pizza. Do not forget to share this link with your friends and relatives. Thank you and bye-bye.